Boy, Dave the family farmer here. Thought I'd come out here, stand on my porch at 3 o'clock in the morning, just to show you, let you listen to the thunder showers. Boy, she's raining like crazy here. My gardens love it. Hopefully we'll get a nice streak of lightning. Hopefully it won't hit me. Yes, I'm the idiot standing out here. Well, I'm telling you, it's raining. You know, a guy could get wet out here. I mean, that's just my honest opinion. And of course, you know, my opinions don't mean much. But, yeah, it's growling out there. And of course, Lena, she's all scared to death. My poor little puppy. Well, you guys, I'm going to enjoy the rain, have some coffee, and play on my computer. You all take care. Bye-bye then.